Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr. Holmes. What will you learn today? Let me tell you. It's Equivalent Fractions, Part 4, Comparing Shapes 2. We have our steps to learning written up clearly, so you can follow along step by step as we go. Let's have a quick reminder of what equivalent fractions are. They are fractions that have different numerators and denominators, but represent the same value or part of a whole. As in these chocolate bars, two people have slightly different ones. They're the same size overall, but this person has 2 large pieces, whereas this person has 4 smaller pieces. If they were to eat the same amount, this person would eat 1 out of 2 large pieces, 1/2, whereas this second person would need to eat 2 out of the 4 smaller pieces, 2/4. So we can say 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent. Let's have a look at our first question. We have 2 diagrams. Let's have a look at both of them, and that's our first step. We have a fraction, and that's represented in this picture. We need to create another fraction to show an equivalent. Let's have a look and identify the relationship between the first fraction and the shape. We have 2/3, 2 out of 3 equal pieces. As we can see, we have 2 shaded out of 1, 2, 3 pieces. We want to shade in the second diagram so it is equivalent. You can see these 2 pieces are shaded in, so to make them the same, we need to shade in the right side of this shape here. Now we need to record the second fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces are shaded. That's our numerator. And the number of pieces altogether, 40 shaded 4, 5, 6. That's our denominator. We'll check through carefully that we've shaded and followed our steps to learning. And then we've identified our equivalent fractions. 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6. Let's run through that again with another question. First step, we'll look at both diagrams. You can see overall they are the same size. Let's identify the relationship between the first fraction and the shape. We have 3 out of 4, or 3/4. 1, 2, 3 are shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. We want to shade in the second diagram to make it equivalent to the first. So we'd have to shade all of these ones starting here until the pattern is the same. Let's record the second fraction. We have 3, 6, 9 that are shaded, our numerator, 9, 10, 11, 12, altogether that is our denominator, 9/12. We'll check through our steps to learning before identifying the equivalents. 3/4 is equivalent to 9/12. There you have it. Comparing shapes to find equivalent fractions. It's as easy as that. See you again soon for some more maths fun.